Find the sum of these fractions, 1/3 and 3/12.
Okay. Now, usually when you see a math problem, there's some operations in between it, like add, subtract, multiply, or divide. There's no operation in there.
Yes.
So what do you think we have to do?
We have to look at the directions.
Okay, well, let's look at the directions again. What does it say?
Find the sum of these fractions.
Does that help us at all?
Yes,
How does it help us?
because it says find the sum, which means addition.
So find the sum. So what's the key word in there?
A sum.
Sum.
Yes.
Not like find some answer, but find the sum?
Yes.
Okay, so when you see the word sum, that tells you you have to add whatever it is they're talking about.
Yes.
So we're going to add 1/3 and 3/12. How would you like to go about this?
Finding the common denominator.
And what does that mean?
By seeing the LCM of 3 and 12, which is the least common multiple.
Okay, so 3 and 12. So if I'm finding the least number, isn't it 3?
Yes. No, it's not.
Well, then what is it?
It would be 12 because 12 is a multiple of 3, but it's the least one.
Okay, so that means 12 can go into 12 and 3 can go into 12.
Yes.
Okay, all right, so I've got that part straight. So now what do I do, though? I mean,
Now you have to match up the 3 and the 12 by multiplying 3 times 4 to get 12 for the denominator.
okay.
And you have to do the same for the numerator. So you would multiply 1 times 4 and you would get 4.
All right, so you added a couple of other terms in there, the denominator and numerator.
Yes.
And there's some students that may not know what we're talking about right now. So the denominator is the number on the bottom.
Yes.
So the numerator is the number
On the top.
on the top.
Yeah.
And we had to multiply the bottom, the denominator, by 4, so you said we had to do the same thing to the top.
Yes.
So the 1 would become,
A 4.
so 1/3 is the same as 4/12?
Yes.
You're sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. So now we have 4/12 and 3/12, and what do we do with that?
Now we have to add those together.
And what do we get, 7/24?
No.
I don't even see that as an answer.
No, 7/12. You only add the numerator, not the denominator.
Why? If we're adding the top, don't we do the same to the top and bottom, add them?
Well, we have to keep the denominator the same because it's the least common multiple. We're changing the LCM if we add them together.
So if I have 4/12 and you have 3/12, together we have 7/12.
Yeah.
We don't have 7/24.
Because you have 7 out of 12, not 7 out of 24.
Very good. I'm just glad that you were able to explain that because there are some students that said, well, whatever you do to the top, you do to the bottom, so you added it across, so let's add across to the bottom, right?
And
Yeah.
Mary, can I ask you, thinking about that bottom number, what does that denominator mean? What does it mean? We know it's the bottom number. We know the name is denominator, but what does it really mean?
It means it's like so the numerator would be like out of 12 because 12 is the denominator. So it would be out of whatever the denominator is.
So you're telling me the numerator's a part and the bottom is your whole.
Yes.
Very good. So you're confident that it's 7/12.
Yes.
Can we simplify 7/12? Because there's a lot of times they say simplify things.
No, you cannot because 7 is a prime number.
And it's also your favorite number, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
We're going to get into that in just a little bit.
That's
But,
my
you know, I mean, this has just happened to me where you saying it's 7/12. You're not saying it's 7/12 because 7 is your favorite number?
Yeah. No.
Well, okay, which is it,
Maybe.
yes or no? Maybe.
No.
Oh, my, you got me all confused now.
No, it's 7/12.
All
I'm
right,
sure
let's
it's
take a look and
7/12.
see if indeed you are correct. There you go. Nicely done. Way to go. First problem out of the way.